Okay, we have our head here. We have our piece glued in for our neck. So we let this set up real good. I took my palm sanders and I sanded the head down. So we have a good sanding on that. So what we want to do is we want to mark our neck, and we have to shave it down so it fits inside the body. And I have my 2 1/8 inch ring. So we're going to use that, and we have to shave that neck down to fit inside there. So we have to find our center down here on this. So we'll mark our center. And we'll mark it this way. That tells us where our center is. So now we can take our ring and put it over top our mark. Round this out, or mark this out here. If you enjoy my videos, please like on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So now we have to take all of this off in here. But we don't want to lose our center, because once you start grinding it down, you're going to lose your mark in there. So we're going to take a punch, and we're going to mark our center so we don't lose it. So now we got that marked, so once we start, we'll know where our center is once we get this down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.